Hi, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Chidanand, a final year BMS student. In previous class, we discussed kwatha kalpana and their upakalpana, ksheerapaka kalpana and laksharasa. Today we are going to discuss about other upakalpanas of kwatha kalpana. Other upakalpana, the secondary dosage forms of the kwatha kalpana. They are already said they are six in number. They are pramatya kalpana, paniya kalpana, ushnodaka, mamsarasa, laksharasa, and ksheerapaka kalpana. These are secondary dosage forms of the kwatha kalpana. Okay. Now we discuss the first upakalpana of kwatha kalpana, that is pramatya kalpana. It is a special type of the kwatha. It is the special type of the kwatha having the deepana and pachana property. Deepana as well as pachana property. Deepana means which increases the pachaka pitta, which increases the digestive fire. Digestive fire also correlates with the pachaka pitta. Okay, and it also acts as a digestive. It also increases digestive capacity and it also acts as a digestive. This is the special property of the pramatya kalpana. Okay. Now it is used in the condition of atisara. It is used in the condition of atisara. This is about the introduction of the pramatya kalpana. Okay. Now we discuss method of preparation of pramatya kalpana. Method of preparation of pramatya kalpana. प्रमात्या प्रोच्यते द्रव्यफलात् कल्कीकृतात् जतात् तोये अष्टगुणिते तस्याः पानमाहु फलद्वयम्. This shloka tells that pramatya प्रोच्यते, when you call it as pramatya, one pala of the dravya means dravya palat kalkikuta. One pala of the dravya you taken and it is made into kalka form. It is made into dravya palat kalkikuta jatat means one pala of the dravya you have to take, later you make it kalka form later. तो ये अष्टगुणिते तस्याः, 8 parts means 8 pala of the water is added to that. Tasyaha panamahu paladvayam. It is heated over mandagni till it reduces to the 1/4 quantity. 1/4 quantity means 2 pala. 1 pala of the dravya you taken and 8 pala of the water you taken and it is heated over mandagni and it is reduced to 2 pala. That is called as pramatya kalpana. That is called pramatya kalpana. Okay. Principle used here is toya agni sannikarsha. Toya means water, agni means fire, sannikarsha means combination. By the combination of toya agni we made the pramatya kalpana. Okay. Now what are the siddhi lakshana of pramatya kalpana? The liquid, the finally obtained liquid having rasa gandha varna of the drugs. Rasa gandha varna of the final obtained product must have rasa gandha varna of the used drugs in the preparation. That is called siddhi lakshana of pramatya. Okay. Now matra 2 pala mention किया है. Okay. This is according to the Chavita. Here only they said panamahu paladvayam. Panamahu paladvayam. 1 pala is equal to 48 gram and 2 pala is equal to 96 gram. Okay. Shelf life, it is used in fresh form. It is used in fresh form. Store नहीं कर सकते. Okay. For example, pramatya kalpa example is mustakadi pramatya. Mustakadya pramatya. This is the example of pramatya kalpana. Okay. Now we discuss it. Mustaka Indrayava Siddha Pramatya B Palonmita Sushita Madhu Sanyukta Rattatisara Namchini. When you learning the preparation, you should add 5 points. That is ingredients and their quantity. Ingredients and their quantity. Method of preparation. Later method of administration. Matra, self life, and indications. These points should be there in your formulation. Then only they give the marks. Okay. Here the ingredients are mustaka and indrayava. Mustaka and indrayava are taken each one pala. Each taken as 1 pala and 1 pala. Okay. And to that you have to add 8 parts means total 2 pala हो गए. 2 into 8 कितना हो गया? 16. 8 pala of the water is added to that and it is reduced to 1/4 quantity. That is called as mustakadya pramatya. That is called as mustakadya pramatya. Method of administration क्या बताया है यहाँ पे? you have to take मुक्तखाद्य प्रमाद्य with मधु. क्यों मेंशन किया है मधु? Because it increases the potency and it gives more therapeutic values to who take the medicine. Okay. देखो ingredients क्या क्या है? मुस्तका and इंद्रयवार ingredients water is added heated over magnet till it reduces to 1/4 quantity and method of administration क्या है? It is taken with मधु संयुक्त. इंडिकेशन क्या है? इंडिकेशन रक्तातिसारनाशिनी. डायरिया, देखो डायरिया में बहुत टाइप्स आता है. मैंने बताया था रक्तातिसार मींस डायरिया विद ब्लड उसको क्यूर कर सकता है. मींस कौन सा? पुस्तकाद्य प्रमाद्य. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट ऑल अबाउट प्रमाद्य कल्पना. नाउ वी डिस्कस पानीय कल्पना. दिस इज वन अमंग उपकल्पना ऑफ द क्वाथ कल्पना. पानीय कल्पना. मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन. शुन्नम द्रव्यफलम साध्यम चतुष्षष्टिः फले जले. Yes, they are saying that शुन्नम द्रव्यफलम साध्यम. You have to take one phala of the dravya and चतुष्षष्टिः 64 phala of the water you have to take. 64 phala of the water you have to take. Ardha system च तद्देय means you have to heat it over mandagni and it is reduced to the half quantity. That is called as paniya kalpana. Here the ratio they ask for MCQ questions. Okay, remember this. Ardha system च तद्देयम पाने भक्तादि संविदौ. When you bhakta means if you can take it in patya means you can take this is isha dasa yavahu. These are preparations. Okay, patya kalpana preparation. You can use paniya kalpana with these foods. Okay, example for paniya kalpana, that is shadanga paniya. Shat means 6 parts, right? 6 drugs are used in shadanga paniya. They are musta parpatako ushira chandana nagaregi shruta jalam dadya pipasa dwara shantaye. Same, you have to prepare shadanga paniya using these 6 drugs. These 6 drugs taken each in one part and each in one part. कितना हो गया? 6 parts हो गया. 6 into कितना part लेना है? 64 part of the water you have taken and it is reduced to half quantity. That is called as shadanga paniya. Okay. Here they are saying indications. देखो मात्रा है ना सेम या जनरल में कितना मात्रा बता है वही तुम लिख सकते हो. ओके, these shadanga paniya used in the conditions of pipasa and jwara. देखो यार फीवर है ना, in fever condition this shadanga paniya is best as patya. Okay, pipasa jwara shantaye इसको कम करता है कौन? षडंग पानीय. ओके, नाउ वी डिस्कस थर्ड उपकल्पना, दैट इज उष्णोदक. उष्ण प्लस उदक. उष्णोदक विद संधि. आंसरिंग कमेंट. ओके, द बॉइल्ड वाटर इज नोन एज उष्णोदक. Water is boiled till it remains 1/8, 1/4, 1 second or just boiled of initial volume. You have to boil the water until it reduces to 1/8, 1/4 or half or just boiled. That is called as Ushnodaka. Principle used here is only boiling. Self life it is instant after preparation के बाद तुम use कर सकते हो. Okay. Indication Ushnodaka is indicated in the conditions of Amavata, Medovikara, Kasa, Swasa and Jwara. In these conditions you can use the Ushnodaka. I'll give one example. When तुमको बुखार हो गया, क्या बुखार हो गया और कफ हो गया तो तुम hot water पीते हो ना. That is only the Ushnodaka. Okay. Now we discuss the fourth upakalpana, that is Mamsa Rasa. The liquid which is obtained when Mamsa and water are boiled in specific ratio. देखो Mamsa means flesh, boneless flesh. Okay, you can use here boneless flesh and water is boiled in the specific ratio. that time you obtain a liquid. That time you obtain a liquid that is called as mamsa rasa. That is called as mamsa rasa. Okay. Based on consistency, the mamsa rasa is of three types. How many types? Three types. Okay. They are ghana mamsa rasa, madhyama mamsa rasa, and tanu mamsa rasa. Ghana mamsa rasa, madhyama mamsa rasa, and tanu mamsa rasa. In ghana mamsa rasa, mamsa and water ratio is mamsa is 8 pala and water is 64 tola, and madhyama mamsa rasa is 6 pala 64 tola. Tanu mamsa rasa is 4 pala and 64 pala. These are three types of the mamsa rasa. Okay. Now we discuss method of preparation. Method of preparation. Before that, you have to write the ingredients. Ingredients. Okay. Ingredients used here is Bruta, Ingu, Haridra, then water you used, and Lavana, and Veshwara used here. Okay. These are ingredients of the mamsa rasa. What? Bruta, Ingu, Haridra, water, Lavana, and Veshwara. These are ingredients in the method of preparation of mamsa rasa. Okay. Bruta is, now we discussing method of preparation of mamsa rasa. Okay. Bruta is taken and heated. Bruta is taken in a fry, means low पदार्थ में लेके उसको क्या करना, heated, and Hingu and Haridra are fried in it. Hingu and Haridra are fried with the Bruta. Okay. Later you add mamsa rasa and fry well. Later you add mamsa rasa and fry well. Then water and lavana in, lavana is mixed as per note. तुमको कितना चाहिए ना उतना नमक और water डालो. Okay. Veshwara is added at the last and cooked well. Added at the last and cooked well. The finally obtained product or the finally obtained preparation is called as mamsa rasa. It is called as mamsa rasa. Okay. Principle used here is toya agni sandhi karsha. Self like it is fresh condition, used in fresh condition. Indication dhatu kshaya, when the dhatus are reduced, in that condition you use the mamsa rasa as the patya or as the rasayana. Okay. This is about the upakalpana of kwatha kalpana. If you have any doubts, comment below. For handwritten notes, join my Telegram. Video अच्छा लगा तो like, comment, share, subscribe कर लो. Thank you.